Hi everyone, welcome to Cloud Pathway Academy. In today's video, we are going to talk about AWS Career Roadmap for 2026 and how you can start your cloud journey in the right way. If you are confused about where to begin, what to learn first, or which certification to choose, this video will give you clarity. Let's first understand why AWS. AWS is the market leader in cloud computing. It is used by startups, mid-sized companies, and large enterprises across the world. Because of this widespread adoption, there is a consistently high demand for skilled AWS professionals. And naturally, that demand leads to strong salary growth and career opportunities. Companies are already operating in the cloud, which means the opportunity is already here. Now let's talk about why most people struggle in AWS. There are already hundreds of tutorials available online, but still many learners feel confused because they watch random YouTube tutorials without a proper sequence and start directly with certifications. They avoid hands-on practice and follow no structured learning path. This creates overwhelm. Confusion comes from the lack of structure, not from the lack of intelligence. If you don't follow a roadmap, even simple concepts start feeling complicated. Before learning AWS, you must understand where you want to go. There are multiple career paths in AWS. Cloud support engineer, so this is typically an entry level focused on troubleshooting and operational support. Cloud engineer is responsible for implementing and managing cloud infrastructure. DevOps engineer focuses on automation, CI/CD tools, infrastructure as a code, and deployment pipelines. Solutions architect, on the other hand, designs scalable, secure, and cost-optimized architectures. Cloud security engineer specializes in securing cloud environments. Each role requires slightly different depth of knowledge, but all of them require strong fundamentals. Now let me give you a structured roadmap. Step 1. Build your fundamentals. You must understand networking basics. You must know Linux basics. And you must understand cloud fundamentals clearly. Without this, AWS services will feel confusing. Step 2 is learn the core AWS services. Start with foundational services like EC2, S3, IAM, VPC. These services form the backbone of most AWS architectures. Step 3 is the most important one, which is hands-on practice. You must be able to deploy a web application. You must be able to build your own VPC architecture. You must be able to configure IAM roles with appropriate permissions. Skills are built through implementation, not just by watching videos. Only after building skills, you should think about certifications. Start with AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner to validate your foundational knowledge. Then gradually move to AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate, which is a core technical certification. Remember, certification should validate your skills. It should not replace skill building. If you reverse this order, you will struggle in interviews and real projects. If you want structured guidance instead of random learning, subscribe to Cloud Pathway Academy. In my upcoming videos, I will break down each step in detail, starting from fundamentals and moving step by step towards advanced topics. Let's build your cloud career in the right way. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.